My name's John Sankey and I manage the Communities for Work Plus team here in Wrexham. The programme recognises that it can be quite difficult for people to get back into work, especially if they've been out of work for a long time, or even if they've been in a job for a long time and suddenly lose that job because they've lost touch with looking for work, for job searching, for the whole process of being unemployed. The team can provide one-to-one mentoring, which can include help with writing your CV. If your numeracy and literacy skills aren't so good, we can help with that. So some of the training that we can provide for people can be help with getting into the construction industry, so that's a CSCS certificate card, SIA, which you need for working in the security industry, forklift truck driving. So in addition to those quite high level and specific courses, we can also provide more general courses that can make you more attractive to an employer, such as food hygiene, manual handling, asbestos awareness. There's a whole range of things that we can help people with once we know what they need and what job they're trying to get back into. Well, you don't have to be referred in, that's the first thing. You can just give us a ring on our contact numbers or drop us an email. On the other hand, you may be already working with a job centre or some other organisation or even a support group, and they can make a referral to us. At that point, we contact you and we'll arrange to meet you and just have a chat about what your needs are and if this is actually the right place for you.
My name is Francis Johnson. I'm the MD of Parallel UK Holding. With Parallel UK Holding, we have got Parallel Security Limited, we've got Parallel Care Solution, we've got Safe Hands Limited, and we have got Training Solutions as well. Basically, I work with Community for Work in Wrexham. We usually communicate with them when we got something coming up, if we have got events, and they settle when they have people available that are looking to work. So they normally email us with names, sometimes they set up the interview. So once we've done that and we are happy and they're happy as well, so we take them on. Yeah. To us as a company, it's really helped with our recruitment side of it. So is that with the finance side of it, because we're not spending a lot of money to recruit people, and sometimes it does help we working together, getting the right people in to help with our events, because we are always busy when it comes to the event time of it. Yeah. If I were to describe Community for Work in one word, would be transparency, yes.
My name's Julian Hughes. I work for a company called Gatewen Training Services. We service the warehousing, logistics and manufacturing sector in North East Wales. Our real focus is on HGV training and LGV training, but we also offer FLT training as well, and I think we've done a lot of that work with Communities for Work Plus. Yeah, the benefits for us of working with Communities for Work Plus is that you guys do the engagement. Yeah? So sometimes it's a bit scary for somebody to just walk in off the street. The support mechanisms that you guys have in place engages with the learner, and then obviously they're signposted to us, and then we do our thing. We're part owned by GAP personnel, so we can signpost people straight from courses into employment. One of the reasons it's such a good course is it's a quick fix. So normally when unemployed people go into a college, it can be a 13-week course, it can be a 6-month course. The good thing about FLT training in particular is they do a 1-week course and they walk out of the doors, they can walk into GAP or any of the other agencies and they're virtually guaranteed work. So it's a quick fix. And a lot of people who've been out of work or out of education for a length of time are quite nervous about committing to something for like 3 months. This is 1 week into work. If I had to sum up what you guys are doing at Communities for Work Plus, it's giving people hope. It's giving people some hope.